Today, I'm happy to present you the 1999 Mitsubishi Lancer GLXI, and this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Lancer GLXI. So, without further hesitations, let's go and start it up. The exterior color of this Lancer is known as Astoria Red. The seats are covered with a gray cloth interior, as you can see. You've got manual seats, a recliner. So, let's pull this back and hop in. It has 126,955 kilometers on it, almost near 127. Start it up. Runs good. This Mitsubishi Lancer is power steering, very tight. So, let's turn on the headlights, your fog lights, as well as the hazards. All windows are electrically powered and only the driver's seat is automatic. So, check out the exterior. Your turning signal indicator and your alloy wheels. Got your basic front end and your lower air intakes on the bumpers, you can see. You could also put your fog lights right here, but this Lancer does not come with the standard fog lights. You've got your fuel door right here. The GLXI logo, which I think the I and the X faded out. Your unique taillight, which is known here as the pizza pie. So, Let's check out the hood. This Lancer comes with a 1.6 single overhead cam, 16 volt. It also has 4 cylinders, as you can see. So, let's close the hood. Let's go ahead and check out the sound of this engine. So, step on the gas. Fantastic sounding engine. So, there shows the doors. You've got your standard controls on the windows and your power windows main control to deactivate and activate the electronic system on the windows, your door handles, and your door locks. The plastic cover right here seemed to be faded due to wear and tear, as you can see. So you've got a 4-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. You also have your indications right here. You can see that we are in the first gear. You got your handbrake, your coin storage, another small storage right here, your center console, you got your cup holders right here, as you can see, another storage, your power outlet with lighter, you've got your media player right here with cassette. This doesn't have CD or auxiliary. You've got your air conditioning controls right here. You've got your fan speed, your different zones, your recycler vents, your air conditioning, your temperature, your rear defrost, and your digital clock. You've got 2 curved design on the air conditioning vents in the center and 1 on each side. got a rear view mirror. You've got no cabin lights right here, as you can see. Your sunshade with no vanity mirror, but I think this one has one. All storage right here, as you can see. And you've got your light adjuster on your dashboard. But I think you couldn't see because it's still daytime. So, let's check out the rear seats. Shut off the vehicle. Right amount of opening on the door. Same materials used on the door, as you can see. And it's also faded. So, let's hop in. Leg space and feet room is, well, quite good for a small sedan. You can always see my favorite Crocs, as you can see. You've got your center light, which still works. You've got your front cabin, which looks fantastic. You've got your side armrest right here on the rear seats. As you can see. Got your handles and your coat hooks right here. Your two speakers on the back, similar to the Honda Accords. And your third brake light right here. So, let's check out the trunk. Got your full load things right here, as you can see. But you can also see the amount of storage that you can put right here in this compact sedan. Goes the trunk. So, I hope you enjoyed the full in-depth tour of the 1999 Mitsubishi Lancer GLXI. God bless you guys.